People often come up to me worried about wasting money on ads or social media management because they're afraid that it won't work. I'm going to tell you, we need to be prepared to waste some money. Unlike traditional marketing where you can put an ad in a newspaper, and it'll go out and you'll have no idea what kind of impact it will make. With digital marketing, we know pretty quickly, within maybe a week or 7 days, whether we're making an impact, whether we're wasting money or not. So if they are interested in investing, or they're curious about investing in their digital marketing and online paid ads, we have to be prepared to waste some money so that we can learn from what we've done and make adjustments and begin to scale up from there. But in the beginning, we need to waste some money.